Here we are discussing the concept of copy constructor. We are using the previous program which is created for addition of two complex number. In this program we have created a complex class. We have two constructors. One is default constructor without any parameters and another one is a parameterized constructor with two parameters a and b, which stores the value of a and b into data members x and y. And then we have a display method for displaying the complex number and an add method for adding two complex number. Inside the main method, we have three objects which we have created. C1 and C2 we have created with parameters and C3 with default constructor, and we perform the addition of C1 and C2 and store into C3. All the three complex object C1, C2 and C3 we display by using display method. This is a program which we have already discussed in the previous tutorial. So the same program we are adding a copy constructor. Copy constructor is used to copy one object into another object. So we are starting with the constructor, the name of the constructor. Copy constructor also should be the name of the class. So here the name of the class is complex. Copy constructor always takes the same object that need to be copied. So here it takes the parameter as a complex and the object parameter should be always in the form of passing by reference. So that's why we have written ampersand symbol prior obj. So passing need to be as a passing by reference. All the value of object need to be stored into the data member of the current object. There are two data member for the object x and y that we store into the current objects x and y. So that's why we have written x equals to object dot x and y equal to object dot y. Now in the main method we are creating the object c4 by using c1. So at that time it will call the copy constructor and the c1 will come into object obj, and the value of x and y which is of c1 will get copied into c4 x and y. Now if you display the value of c4 object, it will be the same as c1 because c4 is created by using c1 with the help of copy constructor. So the value of c4 will be same as c1. So we can indirectly say c4 is actually a copy of c1. If you are able to get the output, kindly comment below.